Hello everyone, with your programs in this video we create pizza Flutter app. Now we open pubspec YAML and we use package provider Flutter SVG, Cupertino icons, screenshot, Firebase core, Firebase Auth, include Firestore and Lattier. Files in this video we can download to description in the video. Now we add folder models, add files, then we add view models, then we add folder utils, then we add folder components, next we add services, next we add folder common components, then we add animation, next we add roads and we add folder screens. These files we can download to description in the video. Now we open main.dart and update this file. And we write async, then we add widget flutter binding dot ensure initialized, write await, write firebase dot initialize app, save, then we add run app, multi provider, add providers, add ingredients view model, add import, then we add pizza view model, then we add user data provider, next we add parameter child, add material app, then we add parameter builder, add size config, then dot init, and then we create variable data media query of context, write return media query, data copy with, add text scale factor 1, and then we add parameter title to material app, write di pizza, Then next parameter debug show checked mode banner write false. Write initial route. Write setup routes. We use initial route. Next routes. Setup routes. Add navigator key. Write nav service nav key. Add them data. Add font family. Montserrat. And now we select hot restart and test application. Select buy now and pay now. Processing. And now we check authorization. And now we open Firebase console, then select authentication. Then we select sign-in method, phone, and we add test phone number and verification code. Next we open emulator, select start, add phone number, next, verification code, write name, art, programs, Warsaw, This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.